Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I am here to share with you guys what I've created so far using the digital collection that I shared with you guys on my previous video. I told you guys that I was going to try to see how much stuff I can make using the collection, and of course a bunch of little odds and ends from my stash. But I wanted to share with you guys these cute embellishments. But before I showed you those, I wanted to show you these two tags that I created. Now, I'm not making a bunch of stuff as I make these things with the collection because I'm not swapping right now, so I don't want to have a bunch of stash laying around. I really don't have the room for it, so I decided to make two layered tags, and this is what they look like. I think they turned out super cute. Of course, I use, a little bit of stuff of my stash, like these flowers, enamel dots, just to complete the look. But you guys, I'm absolutely obsessed. The tags that I used are the ones that I cut up in larger sizes. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, watch my previous video where I show you guys the entire collection that I cut to work with. But let me show you guys the first one. I did some mint greens on this one. Super cute, a bunch of layering of the ephemera pieces. I absolutely love how it turned out. And then a pink one, of course. I did this little like glob of glue here to add some glitter to it for the flower. But yeah, you guys, those are the tags that I created using the collection. And now these have been floating around, especially through Valentine's Day, so I was dying to make them, but I didn't have the chance to make them Valentine's Day version. And if you guys don't know what these are like a dupe for the main squeeze crepe paper collection that came out last year. So a bunch of people have been kind of like recreating them and stuff, so I wanted to recreate it myself using these cute little tassels from crepe paper. I think this is a Maggie Holmes collection. And what else? I'm using my nesting dies with a little stitching. These are the sizes that I'm using. I cut two out to show you guys. This is what they look like, and I'm going to show you guys how I put it together. But first I want to show you guys the ones that I have already created because I'm so excited about them. They're so cute. Look, you guys, aren't they adorable? I am obsessed with them, and I cannot wait to like package these up. This one I stitched all the way around it, hand stitched all the way around it, so you can choose to do that too, being that it already has like the little holes. I chose to hand stitch this one, but I didn't want to do it for all of them because I like the look, but I also like this look. Look at that, so cute. And there's this one, and I just attached the little pom-poms with a little mini jump ring. Let me see if I can show you guys. See the little jump ring right there? That's what that one looks like. And then the last one is this one. And you guys, they're super easy to make, so I want to show you guys how easy they are to make. So of course you can use your hearts however you want to make them, if you have the dies, or if you want to make them through your Cricut or your silhouette. So I have my two hearts here, and how I layer them is I use some of these pop dots. So I take my small heart. Let me see if I can zoom you guys in a little bit. Oh, without shaking too much. Okay, so we take our little pop dots, put one here, and then I put one here, and then one right here. And that's what that looks like. So we take off our backings. I get my pop dots at my local dollar store. Then what you want to do is you want to just kind of place it as best as you can, and then you get kind of like that dimensional effect. You guys can see that. So what I'm gonna do is I have to get my little needle, because sorry for the crinkling. So I just poke a hole, this is just the way I do it, because I don't have, it's not focusing. I don't have like a hole punch that's gonna be that tiny. I don't want it to be such a big hole. So I just poke a hole right through there with my needle. Let me show you guys. See? Can you guys see that? Just enough to get my jump ring through there. Then I open up my jump ring and I just kind of like slide my heart in through there, and once, hopefully I can see this, once I get my right through the little hole, hold on, I can't, it's so hard to do on camera. All right, so basically once I get it right there, you see that? I just go all the way around until it then hangs. You see that? And just straighten out your paper, and all you have to do is decorate. So basically I use like maybe like some trim like this and just kind of like put it on top. Let's add that with some hot glue. So you can put like a cute little trim. See that? And move this aside. And then you can use like I'm probably gonna put one of these little swans on it, just because I love them. I think they're so cute. Add some hot glue. Just place it right up here. We'll keep this one simple and add maybe like a little gemstone right here. And a little tiny pink one. And look, you guys, is that not the easiest to do? But yeah, you guys, those are the embellishments that I've created so far. Hopefully you guys can see. Using the Craft Market collection. Stay tuned for more embellishments, more videos. I have a little sneak peek here. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.